Hi, welcome back to Outlaw TV. Today we are going to be making I am going to be doing a Play-Doh tutorial. We are going to be making a My Little Pony Fluttershy with only two colours. We've got pink and yellow. So let's get started. First, we're going to get the yellow. It has a little bit of blue stuck to it.
It's close enough, isn't it?
And then, so we're going to take a little bit off that.
What do you expect? Someone's got to film this.
You've got to roll it. Well, not that thin. Kind of like, wait. You're going to make some short stubby legs, actually. So like that, kind of.
Seems
So,
good.
Put that down there. Need 4 of these. So you go like that. Do about there. Little stubby legs. Wait. There. That's big now. Like that. Wait. I'm so bad at this. There. Now two more of those. Sorry if I'm being quite quiet.
You're working, aren't you?
I'm concentrating. Put that down there like that.
Well, you know that she's usually very loud.
Hey! There. And it's 4 legs. Now I got to make the body out of that. I might have enough to do it. Maybe. I'll put them in close.
So it looks like a creeper again.
Kind of. This is really annoying. I just can't do. I don't know why I'm doing a tutorial on this when I can't even do it.
It's not a tutorial, it's a competition.
Well, yeah, it's a competition because my brother, Jacob, who's filming, he's going to be doing another one of these and we're doing a challenge. And he's going to have to use this Play-Doh, so you're going to have to judge it in this video.
Yeah.
And you're going to have to remember what it looks like because then I'm going to have to destroy it. And then my brother, he's going to make one out of this Play-Doh because we don't have enough.
At the end, we will show them, though. At the end of that entire video, we will show them both made.
In the second video when my brother makes this. Like that.
Well, hit me. No! Not my new clothes.
They're not new clothes.
Find them, my good clothes.
They're really good clothes, Jacob. Miss ripping.
You got a problem?
What?
Where are the Play-Doh for the eyes?
I don't know what colour I'm going to use for that, but does that look good from the front?
Yeah.
Now for the tail.
Well, you haven't done the little, like, fringe at the front.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. That looked kind of cool.
Kinda.
So just got to do the tail.
I think that looks pretty awesome.
I'm just got to look at it from this side.
Not so awesome from that side.
Yeah. It's going to have one eye because if you look at the picture...
Oh yeah, she's only got one eye because of her big...
Yeah, because of her other eye covered up by her fringe. I'll be back in a sec. I just need to get another colour.
She always does this. And now she has to move the chair in front of the door. By the way, we got this idea from Radio JH. Audrey. Okay, she's back.
I just needed to get some blue.
Is that for the eye?
Yeah. Because if you actually look at a picture, she actually has a blue eye. It looks really bad once I put all like the mouth and stuff on it. I use pink for the mouth.
Jazz mouth. I think you're better off just doing a line. Just choked on the popcorn.
And it's done.
Yeah. Cool.
Well, thank you for watching. The next video will be my brother making one.
There'll be a link in the description to
there'll be a link in the description to my brother's video when he does it. So please subscribe, leave a like, and bye.